We've had some pretty big progress this week, so let's dive straight in. First up, the fuel tank relocation. It's pretty much all sorted. I had to do a few small mods to the filler, but it's now fitting perfectly. 37s weren't really on the cards, but you can't say no to a really good marketplace deal, and they just fit really well. Went to try some VE headers, and rumours were they fit. They don't. Ordered some VVOR ones, we'll see how they go. ECU loom, stripped down, rebuilt, clean plug and play setup, no more mess under the hood. Got another video on the modifications to the loom. This one is an auto loom, but yeah, wipers. We'll talk about that. While I was at You Pull It, I stumbled across a TD Cortina Sports Dash. This is the dash that Aussie F100s used back in the day, but we never got the tacho version here. Lucky for me, it also came out of a 4-cylinder, so works perfectly with the LS1. Just had to tweak the odometer and we're good to go. The main loom is all wired up, cleaned up, and I've ended up using 2 EF Falcon blocks to make one clean wiring solution. Handbrake's also hooked up. A lot of people are upset with the fact that I've got this on a patrol chassis, but it's almost like Nissan designed the patrol for this purpose. It literally just drops on. The wipers. Old wipers were a bit like a first year apprentice, full of promise, no real result. Swapped in an EF Falcon wiper motor and now it actually moves rain instead of just waving at it. It's faster, quieter and works like it should. Damn bonnet hinges, who puts bonnet hinges here? It's like they're an afterthought. I swear if it could have been used something more reliable, but hey. Accelerator cable, VPVR Commodore accelerator cable, also works on the patrols, now works on the Effies, BA306 for anyone wondering. Managed to pick up some shocks from a friend of mine, shout out Adrian, gave us a good deal. They're only in there temporarily, but they will work. Set of old man EVs, they're probably a little bit stiff, but we'll see how they go. And slidey back window, because it's not a pickup if it doesn't have a slidey back window. Anyway, that's all folks, see you later.